Love potion number 9. She bent down, turned around and gave me a wink. She said, I'm gonna fix it up right here in the sink. It smelled like turpentine, it looked like Indian ink. I held my nose, I closed my eyes, I took a drink. I didn't know if it was day or night. I started kissing everything inside. But when I hit the chalk down and started folding by, he broke my little bottle of love potion number 9. Number 9.